This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, type in the Caffeine query, once the native app is found, just go ahead and download it. Now as the app is installed, we can just, and download it, we can go ahead and launch it, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, which will mean that as long as the Caffeine application is active and running in the background, so do not close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.